Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is NUR MAHIRAH binti ABDUL MUJIB. I'm an accountancy student in UED102 Jengke campus Jengke Pahang. So for today, I'm going to tell you guys my experience learning online study skill UED102 and the obstacles that I have to face during my study. What is UED102? UED102 provides students with learning skills essential for varsity life, which should be within each student. UED102 is a course that opens up students' minds toward academic skills like setting the right goals, memory strategies, and how to take notes. Here are the things that I have learned. First thing first, I learned about the differences between high school and university. In high school, teacher will approach you if they believe that you are falling behind. But in university, you should initiate contact with your lecturer or tutor if you need assistance. In other words, we should be responsible on our own. Next, I learned about learning styles. Basically, there are 3 learning styles that are visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. It's really important for you to know your learning styles so that you can study better and effectively. As for me, I am a visual learner. For visual learner, they have strong visualization skills and can remember objects, shapes, and pictures well. I also learned how to manage my time wisely. I use daily planner and prioritize task lists to keep up with my work. In this way, I will not miss my work and can submit my tasks on time. As a student, having a planner and schedule is really important so that they can organize things neatly. Next, I learned how to take notes. There are various ways on taking notes. One of them is mind mapping. Mind mapping could help students to study better because it is easier for them to understand. Other than mind mapping, there are corner note taking, 2-column method, and outlining. By having notes, students can do revision easily and effectively. Last but not least, I learned how to set my own goals. There are 5 important characteristics that we have to consider when we set our goal. First one is specific. Your goal must be as specific as possible so that you know your right aim. And next is measurable. Measurement will give you specific feedback and hold you accountable. Attainable is also one of the important characteristics. You must set a goal that you can accomplish. You will easily give up if you set a goal that are unattainable. Next is realistic. To be realistic, the goal you set must be reasonable and able to be measured. Last but not least, time-based. You must set a deadline to your goals. Let's move on the obstacles that I have to face during my study. Firstly, I have difficulties to speak in English. My vocabulary skills are not that good. In order to overcome my obstacles, I need to read a lot of books and watch high language English movies. Next, I can't really focus in class because there are so many of distractions. As we are learning from home, we have to help our family doing house chores. To overcome these obstacles, I need to only depend on myself by jotting down the notes so that I can do better in my studies. Furthermore, the hardest obstacles that I have to face is my unstable internet connection. As we are learning by online distance learning, we must have strong internet connection because some apps like Google Meet consume a lot of data. Lastly, I have a bad sleeping schedule. I used to stay up late that it became my habit. I need to change my sleeping schedule in order to have enough sleep. I learned a lot from this online study skills UED102. I am really grateful to participate in these study skills. I really want to say thank you to the lecturers for teaching me this subject. With that, I will now end my video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.